Hi everyone, this is Joshua Hayes at BigWaveTrading.com. I'm going to make this video very short due to my mistake of making it too late. I got almost everything done with my work and focused on the chat room, and then I was trying to help my multiple sclerosis legs, and I realized, oh, you haven't made your video yet. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this short. First off, I want to go ahead and expand the Dow Jones Industrial Average out. Just to let you know, let's pretend like yesterday's average, even though it doesn't show for the past, is it just, yeah, for the past day here on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Just pretend like it's just slightly below average. So as you can see, as the Dow Jones Industrial Average rises, let me just hope I got Paint open. No, I don't have Paint open. Let me go ahead and open it up. Good old Paint. Go ahead and print this screen. I'm going to go to Paint. I'm going to go ahead and paste it in here, and I want to show you. I'm going to attempt to paste it in here. Okay, there we go. So there we go. We got the line, and what I did is I showed you how the price is going up, but look at the trend of volume going down. Negative divergence. Now, at the same time, even though the Dow Jones BOP started to fall, now it's rising and now it's green. Is it probably too bullish here? Well, to me, it's a little too bullish to buy, so I wouldn't buy this uptrend. However, if the market continues to go sideways, then breaks out on higher volume, and if I have beautiful charts, I know to go heavy long, but I got to be honest, I have more full sells than buys today, and that's the first time that that's happened in, whoa, since the 21st. So it's been a while since we've had this kind of selling anyway. New York Stock Exchange, you can see the same thing. Back-to-back distribution days, down 0.57, down 0.76. However, look at the tails both days. Intraday bullish session, but back-to-back distribution. And look at the S&P 500. Technically, back-to-back distribution days with both days being down, higher volume each day. However, the first day price is barely down 0.25%, 0.26%, and it's down 0.46%. And look at the bullish intraday tails right here. You can see the tails cutting through there, right there. And if you look closely, you can see you got bullish tails ever since it started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 engulfing days. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 out of 16 days in a row. You've got bullish tails after a little bit of selling in early July. So very, very, very bullish. Even though you got higher volume, to me it's bullish movements. The NASDAQ, I like the pullback so far. As you can see, it's starting to try to trend down. However, it's just a start. And I would like another pullback like June to July, which to me still was not long enough. It was down 5%, but it was only, as you can see, a month. The same thing here in May. Here to there, is down 3%, not even a month. So, as you can see, since March, we basically have rallied the whole way. Here, kind of tried to base out here. It wasn't even a month. Rallied again. Tried to base out here. Only a month. And still had some rallies along the way. And then here it's been nonstop. So we basically have really not taken any time out to really base. The good news is, though, is during the short stints that we do go sideways here on the NASDAQ, look below at the volume. Let me print the screen, go to Paint, throw it up on there. Paint. Let me go Paint. We go to the circle. It's white. See the lower volume here? It coincides with the sideways action. See how there's lower volume in here? Coincides with that sideways action. And then look at this sideways action right here. Look at the lower volume there. However, basically the entire time it has been lower volume. Let's go ahead and let's see if yep, cool, I can redo that. Throw the NASDAQ on there, and as you can see, basically this entire time we've had lower volume. So this whole area, look at volume, it's just barely below average almost every day. The good news is every day it's above average. You got a green, big, tall bar. However, the biggest bars are coming on witching days, so that's not that great. But to be basing would be good, because I got to be honest with you. I'm glad that we pulled back today, but still, if you look at it, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days in a row up. 13, 14 out of 15 days in a row up. Are you kidding me? To buy stocks up here is crazy. Some instances of it, some extremely bullish is like here's a long CGA that I wanted back here. Look at what it looked like whenever I wanted to load up or whenever I bought it. So here's what it looked like whenever I bought it heavy. Sadly, I got shaken out. Huge volume, so yeah, I had to sell. I had no choice. But then it reversed on me. Now, some people bought this. I couldn't. However, I could justify it. 1, 2, 3 days later, you got a 12% gain. I could see that. I could absolutely see that. But wanting to buy it now, 32% off the area that I wanted to buy. Since I wanted to buy, it's now up 37% actually, not 32%. Sorry, math wrong. A little crazy. So as you can see how far away it is from the 200-day moving average, well below $5, and it's 1073. Buying it here would be a little risky. So that's what I'm trying to watch out for, is that there's a lot of stocks that are up there like that, and then they end up doing like one of our full sells today. I'm going to go ahead and give everybody ARMH. ARMH is a full sell because look at the huge volume. Boom, huge red. Look at how deep and ugly and red that bop is. Ugh. With boom. And a reversal. If you went long here, you could still leave with a 4% gain. Not bad, but still, you know, it's just proving a point. Look at that one. And then remember my experience with Star. It's supposed to be a huge winner, I thought. Or ARST, which I thought would be another huge winner, even though it had a choppy base. Whoops. And then remember COT recently. Remember ADY 3 weeks ago. And now you get ARMH today for me. So, you know, I don't know. I'm just cautious. I had a new short yesterday and it worked today, and I have a new short today. Only 2 new longs. Got to be careful out there right now, everybody. I'm going to be back with part 2 for subscribers with the 2 new longs, the 1 new short, the 4 full sells, and we got a whole bunch of partial sells after this. So have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday, everybody. I believe tomorrow's Thursday. I hope it's Thursday, or else I don't know what day it is. Aloha.